Have you ever wondered how many neurons are in the human brain? Or perhaps how neuroscientists manage to study these intricate microscopic entities? Well, today we'll delve into these fascinating questions and shed some light on the world of neurons. When it comes to studying neurons, scientists use a couple of key methods: histology and microscopy. Histology is the study of cells and tissues using special staining techniques and microscopy. This field employs microscopes to visualize objects beyond the scope of the naked eye. Imagine trying to slice through something with the consistency of jello. Sounds tricky, right? That's exactly the challenge scientists face when they attempt to section the brain. To overcome this, the brain is hardened by soaking it in paraformaldehyde. Once solidified, the brain is frozen and sometimes embedded in a waxy substance. Then, using a tool called a microtome, extremely thin sections of the brain, as thin as 1/1,000,000th of a meter, are cut. These sections are then mounted on slides and treated with various types of stains. Each stain serves a unique purpose. For instance, the Golgi stain, named after Camillo Golgi, clearly illustrates the cell body, axon and dendrites of neurons. On the other hand, a stain called crescel violet is used to highlight the cell body but does not clearly identify axons and dendrites. But how many neurons are there in the human brain? While many sources claim that the brain contains 100 billion neurons, recent research suggests otherwise. Neuroscientist Susanna Herculano-Husel and her team, using a method known as isotropic fractionation, found that the human brain contains, on average, approximately 86 billion neurons. Perhaps surprisingly, neither brain size nor the total number of neurons correlate directly with cognitive abilities across different species. For instance, elephants with notably larger brains and more neurons are not considered more intelligent than humans. Instead, it appears that intelligence may be more closely related to the number of neurons located in the cerebral cortex. In summary, studying neurons is a complex process involving histology, microscopy, and various staining techniques. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, and intelligence might be more related to the number of neurons in the cerebral cortex than the total number of neurons or brain size. This truly underscores the complexity and marvel of the human brain.